Okay, Coach T from TackleTrading.com back with our daily market update. Let's take a look. The Federal Reserve today came out and made an announcement. That announcement was that they were doing nothing, and the expectation was that they were going to do nothing. We knew they were going to do nothing, and the market rallied. Market was up in the morning, ended up finishing up, showing some strength throughout the day. Let's take a look at the futures market and let's talk about it a little bit. So 10 a.m. markets open up, rallied up. At the initial surge of the announcement, actually sold off. Markets dropped about 15-20 points, rallied back all the way into the close for about an hour and a half. That was the S&P 500. Those are stock prices. Let's look at the crude oil market. Crude had a huge day. In fact, at the inventories number about 10:30 a.m. rallied. Guys, they were up over 5-6% at one point. Very big move out of crude oil. Take a look at the energy sector. Take a look at what's happening with crude prices. I think there's going to be some opportunity there. Metals market as well. Gold, silver, if we back this out on a daily chart, we talked about this on the Coach's Show. Big breakout in silver, good candlestick in gold. Back down after hours, actually. If you look at it on a 5-minute chart, here we are. Gold actually dropped right at the end of the day. So we'll see where silver ends up. Should be interesting from a daily perspective. Fading uptrend, old resistance, kind of a rotating trend here. Something to keep an eye on. Then the currency market, the US dollar, big move. Rally, found support at 94 a few weeks ago. Now it's up about 98. It's been making a pretty healthy move. Bounce off support. It's been in a range since back in May between 94 and 98. This resistance point is going to be very significant. As we look forward at the news, let's take a look here. Apple beat earnings. That was a big one. FOMC statement called for no change to current policy stance, leaving the potential December rate hike on the table. I don't expect them to raise rates in December either. We're going to be looking at 2016 for that. The economic calendar, as we look at it, here we are. GDP number tomorrow morning could be a market mover. Looking at the entire week, on Friday, you've also have the employment cost index, but nothing really. The next big event is going to be next week, 1st of November, first week of November, I should say, as we get into ADP numbers, the unemployment rate, and the jobs number on Friday, November 6th. As always, you can get market updates, you can get information, you can get a lot of stuff, you can get a community, you can get support over at TackleTrading.com. Get in the game.
Get off the sidelines and take control of your financial future at www.tackletrading.com. Get in the game.